Most mornings in Johannesburg begins quietly. Birds, pavement, a trolley scraping along the road. Recycling collectors are part of the city's hidden infrastructure. The people who carry the pieces we don't have to think about. Cardboard stacked taller than they are. Glass bottles clicking. Heavy work, clever work, work that keeps the city moving without applause. Lately, I've been thinking about hope. Not the inspirational quote kind, but the durable kind. The kind that shows up in ordinary streets, carried by ordinary people who keep going when quitting would make more sense. When we were young, hope is loud, big plans, big futures. But after 50, hope becomes quieter, more honest, less about revolutions, and more about resilience. And sometimes the people who carry the heaviest loads are the ones who teach us how to keep going. This season, I want to explore that kind of hope.